everybody, welcome back to another video on Sneakers Unboxing with Moi, and today we're going to be unboxing the Nike Ldwaffle with the Sacai and Undercover collab, so let's get to it. Alright, so I actually got two pairs, so I don't know which colorway it's going to come out first because there's two different ones. Well, there was actually three, but I only got two out of the three, so we'll see, but let's get to it. And you already know we gotta do it with the Supreme knife. And let me set it to the side on the ground. And let's see what we get. Alright, so on opening the box, it's kind of like the Blazer Low Sacai box. I don't know if you guys remember seeing that video, or some of you have seen the video that I posted. It's basically the same box, but we have an orange box. But okay, so it's the same box as the Blazer Low that I reviewed like a couple weeks back. So it's like a glossy Nike logo, and the Nike logo continues or starts from one side and then it ends on the other side. So that's pretty much it. The back side is blank, and then on the bottom is just your branding, your Nike swoosh, just do it, and then the recycling box made in China, all that. And then on the front of the box we have our sizing. You guys can't really see it, but there it is. And the colors are Midnight Spruce and University Red. So it's called Nike Ldwaffle SU or /SU. So these retail for about $170, and let's see how they look. All right, so we get a nice black wrapping paper, but it's getting stuck, so I don't want to rip it, but let me show you guys. So it says Undercover and June Takahashi, so you guys already know the deal. Let's see how they look. All right, so lifting up the first flap, you get the set of laces. This is a new one, I've never seen these, and these are like another set of laces. Actually kind of weird, I've never seen that, but I'll show you guys a close-up so you guys can see how they look. I'm gonna set those to the side. So yes, they're individually wrapped, so that's just one of the shoes right here, and it's wrapped. But let's see how it looks. This colorway actually looks pretty nice. So here's the shoe. I don't know what you guys think about it. This is the first time I actually get one of these Ldwaffle shoes, so I think it's pretty cool. And then on the back it says Nike Sacai, so I think that's pretty cool. But let me get the other pair out so you guys can see it as well. And this one as well is individually wrapped. Here's the pair. Kind of has like this other color for the upper, for like, it's like mesh or polyester if I'm mistaken. But there's a lot of different material on this shoe that actually brings out like the detail and like the stitching or like the colors. All right, so starting off with the uppers, we have the double lacing. You already guys know there's double laces right there, and then we have the double tongue as well. But so that's doubled, and then of course other thing that's doubled is the Nike logo or the swoosh on the sides, and that's the same on both. And also on the inside, or the insole, it says Nike Sacai, so that's pretty cool. And then on the sole is like red, like red blocks. It's a little funky looking, look like Legos. Let me know what you guys think about this pair, but we'll get moving on to the next one. Upon opening the other box, we have to bring our Supreme knife back, and then let's get to it. There it is. Oh snap. Alright, set that down, and of course it's the same thing. There it is. Alright, so same thing with this box. Nike in the front or on the top in the gloss finish. So continues on one side, Nike, ends on the other side, the back is blank, and then on the front, of course, the sizing as well. They're both size 9 because that is my size. And this colorway is called Night Maroon and Team Royal. So let's see how they look. And of course, you get another double laces for the shoe. These will most likely be wrapped individually as well. So let me get the first one out. There it is. And let me get the other one out as well while we're at it. Let's unwrap this so you guys can see how it looks. So it's like rolled over like 3 times. So that was 1, 2, and then 3. So there's the first look, guys. This is the midnight purple. I don't know, I forgot what I said, I'm sorry, but there it is. This is the second pair that I got. Hopefully it focuses. It's very similar to that one, it's just different colors. That's pretty much it for this. And of course the insole says Nike Sacai as well in white lettering with a black insole. And on the sole, of course, it is blue, or Team Royal, how it's said on the box. So same design, it's like blockish, it looks like Legos, to me at least, I don't know. And then of course the same thing, Nike Sacai and Undercover on the midsole. So I think this shoe is pretty nice, but let me know what you guys think. But I'm gonna do the close-up shots and the on feet, and then we'll get to wrapping the video. So let's get to it. Alright, so that wraps up the video on these Ldwaffle shoes with the Sacai and Undercover collab. Let me know if you guys would rock, if you guys would drop. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.